Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that will be showing you my morning cleaning routine. I am off this day, so I just took the kids to school and I will be cleaning up my morning mess. But before I clean up, I am going to be making myself a green smoothie. I haven't had a green smoothie in such a long time and I was craving it this morning. And yeah, so it has spinach, frozen bananas, and peanut butter, almond milk, and I think I put 2 ice cubes. And the only thing that's making it sweet is the peanut butter, but it is so good. I usually drink this. I drink it more during the summertime, but for whatever reason, when I woke up this morning, I just wanted a green smoothie, and I'm so happy that I had all the ingredients. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up, and I can't wait to drink this. Alright, so this smoothie was so good. It was delicious, so thumbs up for that. And now I'm going to go ahead and get started on cleaning up my kitchen and putting away appliances and just putting away all of the dishes that I used from last night, and putting away like the cereal and the oatmeal containers. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so the kitchen is nice and clean. I had put away some dishes that I hand washed and put some dishes in the dishwasher. and now I am ready to start on laundry. I actually had laundry from last night, so there's a load of laundry in the dryer that's already ready to be folded, and I am just putting another load of laundry to be washed. Alright, so I am just taking my laundry back to my room because I usually watch TV and catch up on my shows or catch up on some YouTube videos while I am folding laundry. And yeah, so right now I am making my bed, and I usually make my bed in the morning right when I wake up. But since I knew that I was making this video, I thought I would wait because when I woke up it was around 5:30 or 6 and it was still dark, and so I just decided to wait. That way the sun's out and the room is more brighter. And yeah, so I'm just making my bed, and you guys, I love our new bed set. It is so comfy and so soft. And if you guys want to go ahead and see where I purchased our new bed sheets, I'll link the video down below. But we absolutely love it. And so now I am going to dust my furniture, and I usually dust it once a week when I have a chance, and I usually have time on my day off. So I'm just dusting the furniture, and I'm also dusting my bed frame because it gets really dusty like on the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that really good. And I'm using this microfiber dust mitt from Norwex. Have you guys ever heard of Norwex? It is amazing. I absolutely love it. And then so now I'm just folding my clothes. And like I said, I usually watch TV, but I just wanted to get this done. So I'm just folding as fast as I can. And then now I'm just gonna vacuum our whole entire room, and I also vacuum once a week. And the kids, this is actually part of the kids' chores, but since I'm just making this video, I'm just vacuuming for them so they don't have to do this chores. And that's actually one kid per like upstairs and downstairs. So they take turns like which floor they vacuum. It's so funny. But yeah, so my two kids, Sarah and Nathan, the older ones, they vacuum. And actually Leia could actually vacuum too, so we might add this to her chores. And then I also am vacuuming my loft. And this is where the kids just hang out and watch TV. This is like their hangout place. Especially Sarah, she just likes to hang out here. And then Leia also will hang out in the loft area. And I love having this extra space for them because sometimes we're usually just downstairs in the family room. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and dust the living room, just all the furniture and all the decoration from the mantle. So just go ahead and dust that. so now I am just rearranging my couch cushions and pillows. I'm just fluffing them, and yeah, you guys, we've had these couches for almost 15 years since Nathan was born. So we love these couches. It's so sturdy, and yeah, it's a nice oversized couches. And like I said, they're old couches, but they still work amazing and they're so comfortable. Yeah, so now I'm just vacuuming my living room. And you see Ginger, she hates the vacuum. She just barks at it every single time we vacuum. So we just don't pay attention to her anymore. But yeah, she's there barking away. Alright, so on to the kitchen. You saw earlier that I already cleaned my kitchen. I'm just gonna go ahead and I had some shoes to put away in the garage, and now I am just vacuuming my floors instead of sweeping it, because it's so much easier to vacuum and it works just as fine. And yeah, so this is pretty much my morning cleaning routine, just tidying up everything and pretty much dusting everything. And yeah, the kids, they take care of their own rooms. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. And after this, I'm actually probably just gonna work on my planner, and I have another video that I'm working on. I'm actually gonna make another budgeting video, kind of like an update of my cash envelope. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, it will probably be posted after this is up. So yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. It is around 10:30 right now, so I'm just gonna have a little lunch, because yeah, I'm getting hungry. That smoothie was good, but it wasn't enough. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.